Isa yun yung setup natin for the table. Ayan. Naayos ko na yung mga toys nila. Yung ibang toys kasi nilalaro nila so medyo madumi na kaya hindi ko na sinama. Ayan yung mga handa nila. Okay. Yung ibang handa kasi nakain na nung Saturday kasi I have also 2 dogs na nag-birthday nung Saturday. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung clips ng photos or videos nila. Kasi sobrang late na kami nakapagkantahan and nakapag-blow ng candle. Kaya, ayun. So, ito, first birthday ng 3 ko pang puppies. Yung nauna nung Saturday ay 5 years old na silang dalawa. So, ito yung mga handa nila. So, meron tayong pedigree, yung favorite nila. And then, thank you sa Whole Pet Kitchen, ang aming paborito nga shop ng cake tsaka mga treats nila. So, binilang ko sila dito ng liver muffins. Ayan. Nasa freezer kasi yan, kaya matigas. And yung treats nila na to, wait. So, itong dalawa na to ay ito yan guys. Isang turmeric and honey biscuits. Ito yung yellow. And yung isa ay cheese and chamomile biscuits. Ayan. It's 158 and 148 pesos. And this one is 100. Yung liver muffin nila is 198 at basta ganun. Okay, and yung cake nila, ayan, isang paw cake. Ayan, may iba-ibang kulay yan. Yung isang cake na nabili ko is purple. Okay, yung red ribbon, treats yan from my sister. Paborito nila yan, pero hindi yan everyday guys, ha? And, of course, ang Go Light, ang aming paboritong drinks ngayon, as in, meron yan strawberry, naubos ko na, at saka yung milk tea. Sarap ng milk tea. Super legit yung tea ang lasa. So, ayan guys. Bibihisan ko lang yung mga celebrant para makapag-party-party na kami. Ayan. So, wait lang guys ha. So, yun guys. I'll show you yung napili kong outfit. Yung isa, ito, The Flash. And the other na damit ay si Captain America. And for my baby girl, ito, yung dress. Pink and purple dress. Ayan. Ayan yung susuot nila. Kumakain pa kasi sila ngayon. So, ayan guys, ang kanila isusuot. Papahalala ko sa inyo yung mga doggies ko later. So, see you all later guys! Yay! So, there you go guys. So, nag-aayos pa kami. Hindi pa kasi tapos si hubby sa work. In-invite din namin syempre ang kanilang friend. Isang betta fish. Ayan, nag-iisa na lang siya. Na-deads yung isa. So, ayan. Bagong linis ang kanyang aquarium kaninang morning. So, yun guys. Update cake. As you can see guys, 3 letters lang siya kasi hindi magkakasya yung names nila. N represents for nuggets, B for burger, and S for Sunday. Ayan. Yan yung names ng 3 celebrant natin. So, yay! Hi guys! So, ayan, I have bunny ears because wala akong dog ears na mahanap. So, where are my babies? Come here! Kumakakalala ko kayo, come here! Come here, Sunday, come on! Huh? Come on! Wait lang. Okay. This is the birthday girl. My baby girl. This is Sunday. Say hi. Hi everyone. Yes, this is Sunday. She is 1 year old. 1 year old today. Ayan. She's the only girl sa kanyang litter. Second batch of babies na sila ni Cheesecake. Ilalagay ko dito yung picture ng kanilang mommy. Kasi hindi lahat ng dogs ko ay pwedeng magsama-sama because yung mga senior citizen dogs, medyo nag-aaway-aaway na sila. Especially yung dalawang mommy. medyo protective na sila masyado. So, hindi na sila pwedeng pagsamahin. So, hindi lahat ng dogs ko ay nandito sa party today. Okay, I have 8 dogs. FYI. Oh, this is Sunday. Okay, wait lang. Kasi, ang hirap. Whoops! Sorry. Next. And this is Boy Kalabet. We call him Boy Kalabet kasi mahilig siya mga labet. This is Nuggets. Kasi favorite ko ang Nuggets. So, kiss. Kiss mommy. So, ayan si Nuggets. Say hi! Hi vlog! Welcome to our channel! Ayan. Sila yung magkakapatid. Ang magba-birthday. Siya ang nakasuot na Captain America. Ito yung pinakamalambing sa lahat. Talagang kakalabitin ka niya anytime. Gusto niya ng cuddle all the time. So, let's Nuggets. Hey! Okay, come on! Burger! Ayaw pang sumama ng isa. Mahihain kasi yung isa si Burger. And this is our bunso. Lucky Bear! Say hi! Hello! Aisha! Hello! Say hi! Hi vlogs! Ayan, siya yung bunso namin. Siya ay, ilang months na ba ito? 6, 7, 8 months. Ayan. So, sa June siya mag-1 year old. Ayan, pinakamakulit sa lahat. Ang pinakamaingay, pinakamakulit. Mahilig mang-away ng kanilang ate at kuya. Yan, natin natin isang birthday boy. Si Burger. Come, Burger. Come here. Shy type kasi itong isang to. So, ayan, come here. Good boy. Ayan, nanginginig na siya. Ayan. Siya yung kamukha ng kanilang mommy cheesecake. Ayan. Si Burger! Say hi! Oh, mahihain kasi siya talaga. Siya yung parang kawawang burger. Hi! Say hi! Nandun na kanilang bowo. Say hi! Bien! Kay bowo! Say hi! Ayan, mahihain siya. Nasaan ang kanilang lola? Summer! Where's Summer? Summer, come here! Oops. Oh my goodness. And this is my eldest daughter. Say hi. Hi everyone! My name is Summer. I'm the most beautiful dog in the world! Ayan, 7 years old na siya. Kaka-birthday lang niya ng December. So may pa-party din kami sa kanya pero hindi ko na na-vlog yun. Ayan, siya yung unang-una kong baby. Okay, nakuha ko siya ng Feb 15. So, ayan. Siya ang pinaka makulit, malambing. Ayaw niya nang nilalambing siya. Ayaw niya nang kinakadal siya. Ayaw niya nang nasisikipan siya sa bed. And strict-tang lola to sa kanya actually mga apo niya na yung magbo-birthday ngayon. Anak niya si Lucky, tsaka yung dalawang nag-birthday nung Saturday. So, ayan guys, yung tatlo pa, nalagay ko na lang yung picture dito. Okay? So, ayan! So, magpo-birthday party na kami! Yay! Lahat ng candles nila since nag-birthday sila ng 1 year old. Kinikip ko lahat yun. Yay! So, mga mag-birthday, nasa ilalim lahat ng lamesa. Come here na, everyone! Let's sing a party na! Sunday, come here! Let's sing happy birthday! Hey, mamaya pa kakain! Later! Later tayo magta-treats! Okay. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! to Hey! Nuggets? Okay, make a wish. Close your eyes. Make a wish. Candles! yun guys, happy birthday to my doggies. So, thank you guys for watching. Kakain na kami, whoops, ng cake. Isa-slice na namin yan para makain na nila. So, thank you guys for watching and thank you for celebrating your birthdays with us. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Okay, so thank you guys. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell button sa aming channel. Comment down below, happy birthday to us. Bye-bye. Yay! You're not happy? No, you're not happy. Hey, 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 hey. Nauna na siya kumain. Bye, guys!
A few moments later.
Sunday.
Let's remove the candle.
Sunday.
Hey!
Sunday.
Did some for your brothers and sisters, ha?